One of the easiest ways and most common ways to add content to your hub is with RSS feeds, which come packaged with most content management systems and are publicly available. So let's say, for example, I wanted to insert all of the articles that are on my blog and insert them directly into the news section of this hub. I can simply enter in the URL location of the RSS feed, but if you don't have that, don't worry, you can simply just enter the name of the blog, which in this case is 3D Issue. I can add that in and it finds the website. It then asks me to verify if this is my content, and yes it is, there's 50 articles there, as that's how many we've set to include in our RSS feed. So there we go, content is added in and I have a couple of different options here. One of the things it asks is to verify that I am the content owner. If I am, then Hubs extracts the whole article. If I'm not the content owner, it only extracts a snippet of that content and provides a link to the original location. Whenever we're using the News Wall feature, we can choose to have all of the content from this section added into the main All section, the main display. And finally, auto-publish. This allows me to decide whether or not I want the content added automatically into the hub. In some cases, you might not want the content added automatically. You might rather verify as the content comes in whether or not it's going to be included into your hub. RSS is also a great way of aggregating content from third parties. So let's say, for example, I wanted to pull in content from a Google alert. I wanted to create a Google alert for an area that is of interest to our target audience. So I could simply go to Google Alerts, and here I have some already set up. So our target audience is very interested in content marketing. So I want to create a Google alert for content marketing. Whenever you create a Google alert, you have the option to have the alerts delivered to an email address, or you can create an RSS feed, which is what I have done here. So all I have to do then is, once I've created my Google alert, I simply copy the URL of this alert, go into my dashboard and add the URL there. Again, it's going to ask me whether this looks like the right content, and it does. So I've added that in now, and I've created a Hubs publication with our blog content and any trending news on content marketing from Google Alerts. When you add in a Google alert, it already knows that you're not the content owner, so it doesn't provide you with that option. So just extracts a snippet of that content in the hub. So let me give you a quick preview here. When you click next, it will build a quick preview, as you can see there now. So you can see we have a publication with tons of articles automatically pulled in, and it really is that simple.